This is Kwayem TV, so if you are new here, then you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you turn on the notification bell so that anytime that we post, you will be updated. Asante Kotoko coach loses father. Prosperity Ogum is bereaved. Head coach for Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Prosperity Ogum, has lost his academic father, Dr. Lamte. He confirmed the sad news in the earlier hours of Thursday, June 30th, 2022. On his official Twitter page, he tweeted, let's read the tweet. He said, it was extremely difficult to accept you are no more. Oh, death. Rest well, my father, lecturer, and mentor, Dr. Lamte Daye. You will forever be in my heart. Coach Nate Ogum described him as his lecturer and mentor. He recently ended Asante Kotoko's 7-year league trophy drought after leading them to the title in the just finished season. Prosper Ogum will be expected to lead the club to their African campaign, CAF Champions League, next season. The funeral arrangement is expected to be communicated in the coming days. Our deepest condolences to the entire family. Rest in peace, Dr. Lamte.